Hello viewers. All of us are curious about future. What's going to happen in the future? Will robots replace us? How about digital assistants? Will the digital assistants be able to do the secretary jobs or jobs related to virtual assistants? So in this video I have compiled the latest developments in Apple Siri and its related devices, Microsoft device and Amazon digital assistant. So watch these videos, then you will be able to understand that what is the status of development in digital assistants. My analysis so far is that digital assistants cannot replace humans till the next 5 years. The reason behind this is that their speech recognition is not good. It can be good for the people living in USA maybe, but not good for the people in Asia or maybe in Gulf countries. So the first thing. The second thing is that these digital apps can hardly identify the difference between the humor and seriousness. I read one example of Indian airline that one passenger was traveling to Delhi. His luggage was delivered to Bangalore, and then he called on helpline. There was a chat board, there was a digital assistant, and he just sarcastically said that thank you Indian airline, my luggage has reached to the Bangalore and I have reached in Delhi. And the digital assistant said, sir, thank you so much, we will provide this kind of best customer experience to you in the future. So that was something very awkward for Indian airline also. So this is also the limitation of the robots so far, the digital apps. So now we will watch. ये देखिए.
Well, smart. Siri was the first mainstream intelligent assistant, and today it's the most popular in the world, available on over 1 billion devices and handling over 25 billion requests a month. And Siri keeps getting better. In the past 3 years, Siri's gotten faster and more concise. Speech recognition is twice as accurate, and Siri knows over 20 times more facts. Together, Siri and HomePod Mini do everything you'd expect from a smart speaker, from multiple timers and alarms, to weather reports, to answering the random questions kids think up. But what really sets HomePod Mini apart is Siri's deep integration with iPhone. Using Siri, HomePod Mini can access the apps on your iPhone to send a message, check your calendar, make a call, even find your iPhone. And because of this, you'll be able to ask HomePod Mini for a personal update with just a single request.
Hey Siri, what's my update?
Good morning, Jumi. It's currently sunny and 72 degrees. Your first event is at 11 a.m. Gallery visit. You have one upcoming reminder. Call Zoe.
Of course, your voice isn't the only voice in your house. Siri knows that and can recognize the voices of each member of your household so that everyone gets their own personal experience.
Hey Siri, what's my first class today? Hey Siri, text Annika, I'll pick you up in 10.
Hey Siri, play my favorites mix.
Okay, Mo. Favorites mix now playing.
And deep integration with iPhone also enables a magical experience with CarPlay. Ask HomePod Mini what time Target closes, and a Siri suggestion automatically appears in CarPlay, so when you hop in the car, the route is ready and waiting for you. With the intelligence of Siri, HomePod Mini helps you get things done around the home. Next, let's turn to the smart home. When it comes to your home, you want comfort.
दोस्तों आपने देखा कि एप्पल का जो प्रोडक्ट है वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट का वो कितना अपडेट हुआ है अभी तक. इस हवाले से माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का प्रोडक्ट देख लेते हैं कि वो कहाँ तक पहुँचा है.
Of the millions of signals in the Office substrate that run Microsoft 365 services. This includes all your emails, files, chats, meetings, to-do lists, the people you work with, and more. It lights up new productivity experiences, personalized to individual users, and supports natural language interaction. For example, here, Cortana has generated a personal briefing email at the start of my day. It helps me prepare for my meetings, manage my tasks, and it's private to me. To help you prepare for meetings, it uses AI to surface relevant conversations and files that you can review beforehand. It goes beyond files attached to the meeting invitation and saves you the trouble of hunting through your inbox. By design, Cortana builds the daily briefing email based on the unique signals of your email and calendar data. It only surfaces content that you already have permissions to. It helps you stay on top of tasks by highlighting pending commitments and promises. Notice how this wasn't just a readout of the text. Cortana first summarized how many recent unread emails are in my focused inbox and highlighted changes to my schedule for the day. I can use touch or voice commands to act on a message with options such as flag for later.
Several hours ago, Alex Wilbur sent a quick email about marketing V-team meeting prep to 3 addresses. Here's what it says. We need to discuss these numbers in our upcoming V-team meeting. Please review these by 1 p.m. and let me know if they look good. There was a spreadsheet attached also.
Flag this.
I'll flag that one.
Using AI and the Microsoft Graph, Cortana is able to synthesize information in the message header and stitch together messages that are part of a conversation that arrive in my inbox at different times.
There are 2 emails in a conversation about quarterly expenses. Several hours ago, Alex Wilbur sent the first email. Here's the message. Hi all. Let's make sure we're tracking all our expenses monthly for accurate forecasting. Can you get your updates in by the end of next week? Then several hours ago, Nestor wrote back with a quick reply saying, I'll be traveling at that time, so I will submit mine as soon as I return. Malavika, aren't you in the same boat?
Hey Cortana. Reply.
All right, what's your short reply?
I'll send mine once I'm back.
You want to email Nestor Wilkie, plus 2 others, saying I'll send mine once I'm back. Ready to send it?
Yes.
I've sent it.
As you saw, this wasn't a one-way conversation. I could say, hey Cortana, to interrupt the readout and reply as well. Okay, let's see another scenario, one that isn't actually optimized to access on the go.
Several hours ago, Adele Vance sent an email about H2 planning to 3 addresses with some visual content. This is a long one.
Hey Cortana. Skip this.
That's all I've got.
Cortana determined that this email was best read on a screen because it contained a lot of graphical information. It paused before reading the email and I was able to skip it. You can customize the experience under Settings in Outlook Mobile. For example, you can choose to mark emails as read or unread. You can even change Cortana's voice to be masculine. So these were 2 examples of AI-driven capabilities with Cortana, optimized for when you're on the go. Now, let's switch to the experience with Windows 10. This has a new chat-based UI that gives you the ability to interact with Cortana using spoken or typed natural language queries. For security, you will need to be logged into your device and signed into the app
दोस्तों
to
ये
interact with
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का था। अभी